Welcome everyone to Compigeon. I'm your host Ahmad, and today we're going to be answering an SAT Mathematics Level 2 question in geometry and measurement. And the question states, a translation in the xy plane moves the point with coordinates x, y to the point with coordinates x minus 4, y plus 7. If point A dash is the image of point A under this translation, what is the distance between point A and point A dash? We got 2 points. One of them is the original point, and the other point is a translation of the original point. The original point is called A, and A dash is the translation. So, according to the question, point A, and let me draw this in red, had the coordinates of x, y, and point A dash, I'll do it in blue, had the coordinates of x minus 4, y plus 7. So you might be asking how I knew that point A dash was the one with x minus 4, y plus 7, and how I knew that A was the one with the location x, y. It's because the question tells us here in the second line that point A dash is the image of point A under the translation. So point A is the original point, and A dash is the translation of point A. So that's how I knew that A dash is the point with the location x minus 4, y plus 7, and point A is the original one with x, y. The way I'd approach this question is by imagining point A in the coordinate plane. So A is going to be that red dot. And imagining A dash as a translation of point A. And the question does tell us how we can find that translation. So in the question we know that point A dash has a location of x minus 4 and y plus 7. So x minus 4 means we're going to go to the negative direction on the x-axis 4 units. That's the meaning of x minus 4. It means we're going to go towards the negative direction, which is the left. So we're going to go 4 units to the left. And then y plus 7 means we're going to go upwards 7 units. We're going to go in the positive direction of the y-axis. So x minus 4 means we're going to go 4 units to the left, and y plus 7 means we're going to go 7 units upwards. If it was y minus 7, then we would go 7 units downwards. If it was x plus 4, then we would go 4 units to the right. So positive in the x-axis means right, positive in the y-axis means upwards, negative in the y-axis means downwards, and negative in the x-axis means to the left. So from point A that has a location of x, y, we're going to move 4 units to the left and 7 units upwards. And this movement is going to take us to point A dash. And let me do it in blue. All we got to do now is to connect point A with A dash and measure the length of that black line, which is the distance from point A to point A dash. Now remember, we don't know the exact numbers for x and y, or x minus 4 and y plus 7. We don't know the exact numbers. But whatever number x is and whatever number y is, A dash is always going to be 4 units to the left and 7 units upwards from the point A, the original point. So because the distance is fixed, no matter what x and y are, it's always going to be x minus 4, y plus 7. So whatever x and y are, x minus 4 and y plus 7 are always going to be the same distance away from them. We can't actually measure the distance without knowing what x and y really are. So let me draw a nearer triangle. Here's point A, and here's point A dash. We know that A, we moved 4 units to the left from A, and then 7 units upwards. And now we want the length of that segment between A dash and A. So we can imagine this as a right-angled triangle with one of its sides equal to 7 and another equal to 4. And the side that we want, which is the distance, the segment connecting A dash and A, we're going to call that D. Let me do it in orange. All we got to do now is to apply the Pythagorean theorem, which states that D squared equals 7 power 2 plus 4 power 2. And that is the solution. If you want D, you're going to get the square root of 7 power 2 plus 4 power 2. And let me use the calculator. And it equals the square root of 65. That is the final answer. That is the distance from point A to point A dash. Now looking at the answer choices, we see choice A as 3.0, choice B as 5.7, choice C as 7.9, choice D as 8.1, and choice E as 11.0. So the square root of 65 equals 8.06, and then there's lots of other numbers. And the closest answer choice to 8.06 is D, which is 8.1. So that is the correct answer. And you might be wondering why in this right angle triangle I used 4 instead of -4. And well, I don't think it does really matter because we're going to square in the end. So it's going to be 7 power 2 plus whatever one you choose, 4 power 2 or -4 power 2. They give you the same answer in the end. So if I were to substitute 4 with -4, we would get the same answer. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify that point if it was causing any confusion for you.